Hi, my name is Max and I'm with MyMotorhomeLife.com. Welcome to this review of the BioLite Energy BaseCharge 1500. So what do you get with this 1500 watt hour NMC portable battery charger or bank? Well, in the box we have just a few items. We have the unit itself, and what surprised me is it's not as heavy as I thought it would be. I think it's about 23 pounds, and it's a lot smaller. NMC lithium ion technology, good for about 500 cycles, so going from complete discharge to full, complete discharge to full, after which it retains about 80% of its original capacity. So really small, very, very well designed. I love the design, very clean. The handles also double up as vents. So we have thermally controlled fans in the unit that kick in when the unit finds itself typically using both the two chargers. This has double charging capability. And on the top there's actually a wireless charging plate. So you can attach, you can lay a single smart device, a smartphone, a tablet, that will charge via this wireless charging pad. We also get a 120 volt to HPP adapter charging brick. So the power supply is actually outside the unit, 10 amps, 120 volts from mains, and HPP into the charging port here, which actually doubles up as the charging port for up to 4 100 watt solar panels. 30 amp 400 watt is the rating for this charging port. You also get a small digitally printed manual, and on the inside front cover is a QR code where you can scan the code with your phone or tablet and instantly register your device. Now, BioLite were also kind enough to send us some accessories for evaluation review. And just so we're clear, they're not paying for this review. They have not seen this video. They haven't seen this review. They haven't had an opportunity to provide input. And there are things that I really like about this, and there are a few things that I think maybe version 2 will solve, some minor gripes. But what did we get? And these are the kinds of things we'll be using with the device. Well, we got a 12-volt charging cable. So plug this into a cigarette outlet, 12-volt outlet in your vehicle, plug in the HPP adapter into the charging port, and who knows, a week later, maybe your BaseCharge 1500 will be charged, but at least there's that capability. So 12 volts from your vehicle into the charging port on the front. Since a lot of panels use MC4 outlets or adapters, BioLite also sell a MC4 to HPP adapter. We'll actually be testing their portable solar panel, 100-watt solar panel, and one of our own 100-watt panels using this adapter, because it actually has the MC4 cables on the panel, so that'll be very useful. They also provided a 4-to-1 solar chaining adapter, so the ability to connect up to 4 100-watt solar panels in parallel and bring them in with that HPP plug straight into the front of the unit. So 30 amp, 400 watt max loads, or 120 volt, 10 amps from the AC adapter. We also got a solar panel extension cable. Now, a lot of folks make these. This is 15 feet, 4.6 meters. Typically used if you're camping or off-grid under shade. We're camping in an environment where surrounded by trees, absolutely fabulous place, but fortunately very little, if any, shade, so that's absolutely fabulous. But certainly 15 feet, 4.6 meters gets you out from an awning or gets you out into sunlight if that's something you need to do. So overall, some really interesting products. The Solar Panel 100 that we'll be testing, and the BaseCharge 1500. So looking forward to seeing how we do with those. And more importantly, what happens if we plug our motorhome into the BaseCharge 1500 with a 15 amp adapter off our 50 amp cable. What can we get out of this little unit? So again, looking forward to checking this unit out and the portable solar panel and seeing how we do.